Standard 1.1 MEAT says I can solve problems that require the use of scientific notation. So provided here is a problem that has scientific notation, and then it's up to us to figure out how we need to use it to solve the problem. So a teacher is going through their drawers at the end of the year and taking inventory of the items they've collected that students have left behind. After counting all of the pencils, she finds that she has 1.76 times 10 to the third pencils. If this teacher collects this many pencils every year, how many pencils will they have after 8 years? Provide your answer in scientific notation. So our first step is to take our number and turn it into, or turn out of scientific notation. So if we start with 1.76 times 10 to the third, this positive decimal place means I'm going to move this positive exponent means that I'm going to move my decimal place 3 places to the right. So if I'm currently have my decimal point right here between the 1 and the 7, if I move it 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to fill in that extra space with a 0. And so what my number is 1,760. If I collect 1,760 pencils every year for 8 years, my math is pretty simple. I take 1,760 times 8, if you plug that in your calculator, 14,080. Now I need to put this number into scientific notation. So I need to take 14,080 and I need to turn that into scientific notation by first putting the decimal place somewhere to make it a number between 1 and 10. That means the decimal place goes 1.408 times 10. If I have my decimal place previously here, let's do that in red so you can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to move it here. I need to move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places, which makes my exponent a positive 4 because my previous number was a number larger than 1.